Good afternoon everyone, it's Emil from Lancaster MG. Thought I'd give you a quick tutorial video just showing you around the MG4 X-Power, just what it has to offer. It's got a lovely 10.25 inch display with features such as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which can have the sat nav, Spotify, all your calls, all your messages, your Siri. It's got the weather app. You'll just need your Wi-Fi connection. It's got air conditioning, it's got the radio, which includes DAB, FM and AM. It's got the user with the iSmart. That elevates your driving experience. It's got Bluetooth integration, telephone preparation, put all your music on there. It's got all different safety settings and the driving modes, which include snow, eco, normal, sport and custom. There's also the drive energy recovery, energy saving mode, MG pilot, driving assist, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping assist, front collision, rear collision, blind spot detection. So plenty of safety configurations there. It's got a 360-degree camera, so there's a bird's eye view camera, there's a front camera, two side cameras and a rear parking camera with parking guidelines. Moving on, it's got different settings, configurations, user manual, track mode. It's got a lovely digital dashboard with a digital speedometer, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition. So really lovely car, filled with plenty of spec. It's got wireless charging as well. Really gorgeous car. If you've got any questions, more than happy to help. Just call the team or send us a message on the Facebook page. Thank you again. I'll speak to you shortly. Bye bye now.